So y'all, I'm going to be showing 3 outfits. They all will feature a t-shirt of some type, and it's something that you can replicate for your own life and in your own place of business, so that when you are trying to determine if you can wear a t-shirt to work and still look professional, you definitely can do it, and this is going to show you how. Okay, y'all, to make these t-shirt outfits remain professional, the key is keeping the styling effortless and chic. The main 2 things is to accessorize, and the second is to tuck. So y'all, these are the set accessories that I'll be using for the first outfit. And you'll see there's a lot of gold tones, and you'll see why in a moment. I'll be pairing this light blue t-shirt that I got from Target, y'all. It's a v-neck t-shirt. I believe it's all cotton. And the fit is not super tight, but it's also not super loose. So that's another big thing that you'll see. This fit will show a very monochromatic look, and that is also a way to always look chic, but all of the outfits won't show that. And if you look at these denim, it does have gold hardware, so I really try to play up on that gold hardware. And then the denim is a sailor jean that I got from Lands' End. If y'all not shopping at Lands' End, y'all are sleeping, because they sometimes have some gems, and I really love the fit of their jeans and their pants. Like, I have a couple pants from them as well, and I really love the fit, and they fit really nice, as y'all can see, and make the bum look really great. So if you haven't shopped at them, try them out. This is not sponsored, I just like them. So y'all, this is the base of the first look, and it already really comes together. It looks really chic, and I really like how professional it still looks just with a t-shirt, just alone with nothing else. And then I add this bag, and it gives it an extra pop of I just love this look. It looks very chic. It looks very contemporary. And it's a t-shirt, y'all. Like, I think that really looks like something you can wear to work or even after work. And you could add a blazer over this or something else, but I don't think that that's necessary here. This is a very much so smart casual, elevated casual outfit that anyone can pull off. It also helps that the silhouette of the jeans pull it together, but you'll see in the next outfit that I'm going to be pairing with a different style of pants, but we'll get to that in a second. So yeah, this is look number 1 with a light blue and then the gold hardware and then the bucket bag, y'all. So I hope that this one was helpful for y'all, and then we'll move into the second look. Y'all, for the second outfit is being grounded in this earth tone v-neck t-shirt from J. Crew Factory in this terracotta or earthy orange color. I will be pairing this t-shirt with minimal accessories, such as like some muted gold earrings and a black belt. And then the standout piece will be the shoes, which are these leopard print flats with this really cool sort of like buckle detail on the front of them from Franco Sarto. I got those last year. Y'all, the t-shirt will be paired with these barrel jeans that I got from the Gap, and I did do a barrel jeans review and styling actually with these jeans, so you can certainly catch those videos after you watch this one. But what I really love about this look is the dark denim paired with this very earthy shirt, so it brings it a very professional and chic look. So y'all, this is the base of the look before I put on the shoes, and you can just see how it's already very chic, very grounded, and you don't need anything in addition to that. Now with the shoes, you guys, you can see how it totally comes together and looks really professional. You certainly can wear this look to work or outside of work, but since I look to showcase a lot of workwear, that is the principal place that I'm thinking about when I'm creating these looks and thinking about how you can pair it with a t-shirt. You can see that the previous look was tucked in, this one is tucked in, and those tucks really define your waist and just makes everything look a little more polished, or actually a lot more polished in my opinion. But now I'm going to add a second or another item, and that is my work bag. Once I put that work bag on, y'all, I'm looking like I'm about town here. So I really love how just adding that extra bag, similar to what I did in the last one, brings this final look all together, and that those leopard shoes really give it a pop of interest that still really coordinates well with the overall look. So y'all, this is something that you can totally pull off at your home. And yeah, you can do this with a t-shirt. And y'all, for the third and final outfit, I paired this pink t-shirt that I got from Target. It is a crew neck t-shirt and it seems a little bit looser than the rest, but I did pair it with some gold tone earrings and this really beautiful beaded necklace that I also got from Target some years ago, y'all. But I just love that necklace, and I think it adds the right amount of interest to the look. And then lastly, I'm going to pair this outfit with some Ferragamo driving loafers. They are thrifted, and I just love these loafers. They were a great find. And so, yeah, this shirt is a little bit looser than the other two, but it's all about how you tuck and make the overall fit of the outfit work. So y'all just be playing with the shape of things, and it can take a few tries. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just needs to be neat. And so you see, like, my tucks aren't like some perfect symmetry or something like that, but they look neat and pull it all together. Those pants are from J. Crew Factory. They're just some regular work pants. I think they're a boot cut, maybe. They're not my favorite because I think they're maybe like a length 30, and I prefer mine just to be a little bit longer, but that's neither here nor there. And y'all, this is the final look. This one I would say is the most traditional because I did pair it with some regular work pants. My intention, y'all, was to show this outfit with a pink bag, but when I was putting the outfit together, I actually am showing it with my black bag, and you'll see that here in just a moment. But I think that's more realistic because when I'm going to work, I do not change my work bags, or excuse me, when I'm going to work, I do not change my bags. I usually keep the work bag all week, but I did want to show it with like just a different type of bag. So here you go, guys. Here is the final look if I'm going to work in a t-shirt, and I think that this pink t-shirt really kind of helps this outfit not seem so worky, but this is, I feel like, the most kind of traditional work look of all the three looks, but I think it's fine. And you can see that even with a t-shirt and some traditional work pants, you still can pull off a t-shirt look, y'all. So I hope you guys like these, and stay tuned and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.